was a busy morning for me. I went to the gym. I did a little strength training workout, went home quickly, showered, changed, got ready, and now I'm heading to grab brunch with my boyfriend. He was playing soccer in the morning, so he's gonna meet me there, and you guys with us. By the way, how cool are these glasses? And also Kylie Jenner has them too. They're not too bad, they're like $65. Okay, this guy's driving really bad in front of me.
Trying at the same shit, kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running.
We've had an amazing brunch. I inserted some pictures and videos for you guys. It was beautiful, beautiful views of the lagoon and the ocean and the racetracks. It was just a great way to start our weekend. Now I'm back home and I got a little package here that I want to open here with you guys. So let's just jump right into it. The nice iSource team reached out to me. They have sent me a couple of cases to try out, so I'm so excited. This will be my first time seeing them as well, and I have a couple of different colors. I'm so excited. I get so bored with the same color on my phone, so I just love switching it up all the time. And I love a good quality case because I want to make sure that my phone is protected. I don't want any scratches or damages. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. All these different colors. I've got yellow, I've got grayish, orangey, pinkish, nice. So I'm gonna test each one. Beautiful packaging. It says it's multi-protective. Perfect. So let's start with this clear case. So nice. Wow. Oh my god, look at the note. It says, "Dear sweet angel, we would like to express our genuine gratitude for getting our original product. Wow, we're a small startup in a big world of retailers and appreciate your business immensely." This is so cute. Adopt minimalist lifestyle with simple packaging to save the world. I love this. I love the personalized note. It's such a nice touch. Aww. iSort is a group of engineers embracing minimalist aesthetics. Focusing on quality and simplicity, we are dedicated to enrich your life with love and diversity. Oh gosh, you guys, this is so cute. It says, "We apologize that we don't have fancy packaging as we want every penny you spend is on your phone case. So everything is invested in quality." Look how pretty it is. It has the MagSafe so you can charge your phone rapidly. Let's see how it goes on my gorgeous orange iPhone. This is so nice. It just feels so smooth. It's gonna fit my pockets easily in my bag, but at the same time, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna slide anywhere. The quality is superb. I can tell you right away, the quality is outstanding. I love that this is see-through, so I can see the color of my iPhone, but still gives it a little bit of, how do I say, spices it up a little bit, I guess. It covers it enough that I know that my glass front screen is protected as well. The cameras have really good protection. It just feels good on your hands. You guys, you can tell that it's good quality. And by the way, I put the links below. I also have a 20% off code for you guys, so check it out. You're supporting a small company. They're doing a great job. They're really investing in these products. They want to make sure you get the best quality product for the best price. Let's help this little startup in this world of gigantic companies. Let's help this little company thrive, because why not? If we can help each other, we should always. I'm always down for that. Let's try different colors. I have a gray one. Let's see how it looks on my phone. I've never had a dark gray case, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm not sure. Oh, it's quite interesting actually. It's a good contrast of orange and the gray. I like it. I'm so intrigued. It makes my phone look futuristic somehow, right? Do you see it? It's so different. The gray stands out. I like it a lot. Now this is the pink one. It is so adorable. I think this is gonna be my to-go because I'm a pink girly. I love pink color. Pink and orange, you would have never thought, but there you are, there you go. Each package I open, I love this note. Dear sweet angel. No one ever called me dear sweet angel. Thank you so much, iSword. I'm so spoiled right now. We strive to deliver best-in-class products and to do our best to exceed your expectations. And for sure they did. This is the orange. You want orange on orange? It just looks like it's part of the phone. Gorgeous. This has been my favorite unboxing haul so far. I have never been impressed with each product. This is you guys have really blown me away. So I'm heading to my acupuncture session and I'm already running late, a couple minutes, not too much, thankfully. Went to see my Chinese doctor, Yukino. She's awesome. I look forward to this every time I have a session. I mostly go for my hand pain. I have a lot of hand and wrist pain, but it really helps with everything else that I'm going through. If I have a headache, if I have some stomach issues, if I'm under a lot of stress and pressure, I just tell my doctor and she's like, oh, she just puts a couple of needles here and there and it just gets the chi flowing. I love it. If you have never tried acupuncture, I highly suggest at least once in your life, just give it a shot. Be open-minded and see what it does for you. It's really been helping me and I love it. So let's go see Dr. Yukino.
Sunny dancer and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in.
I just wanted to mention something because I feel like a lot of people don't know about acupuncture, what it is, how it looks like. They've seen it in movies and TV shows and they just imagine this laying on a bed and then you have so many needles all over, but that's really not the case. What actually happens is you go inside, you tell your doctor what's going on with you, where you have issues, some areas of concern in your body. Doctor then goes to figure out where the chi is stuck and then places needles strategically over your body. So if you, let's say, have a headache, then usually you get needles around your toes and feet and things like that. So it's never, if you have issues, let's say if you think you have migraines or headaches, usually they don't put needles there, they put it somewhere else to another trigger point in your body where they think the chi is stuck and the needles will help move it along. So you actually don't get a ton of needles. You maybe get 10-20 needles max per session and it's not that painful. You still feel like a little pinch, but there's no blood and it's not that painful. It's just a temporary discomfort, but then you go into this relaxation state where you feel so amazing. Time goes by. 30 minutes for me goes like this. I'm like, how did this end? Can this last longer, please? So it's awesome and I'm gonna try to get some footage for you guys. We'll see if I can ask my doctor to take some videos. I hope she's gonna be fine with it.
The sun dips low, the shadows play. Everything slows down, it's the perfect day. With every breath the calm sinks in. This is where my joy begins. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, life feels new. And all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow. In this gentle time, I let everything flow. The world keeps turning, but I stand still, caught in the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments, I find my place. In the warmth of the sun, with a smile
Just
on my
finished.
face.
I needed a couple of minutes to get back to myself. I was so out of it in a good, positive way. I fell asleep, I think 3 or 4 times during the session. I caught myself dozing off and falling asleep completely, and then I would wake up and come back. It was so good. I had some stomach issues and I told the doctor and she put needles in my stomach, but she did it gently and I could really feel something moving over there. And as the session kept moving on, I felt like my body parts or something inside my body was coming to its place. It was incredible. And then I just kept getting more and more relaxed until I fell asleep, and then I woke up and then I fell asleep again. It was incredible. I'm so relaxed right now. There's no pain in my body. I just feel so good, and it was incredible.